Hello. Whose is this picture? Whose is this picture? It's mine. Whose is this book? Whose is this book? It's mine. Whose is this watch? Whose is this watch? It's yours. Whose is this phone? Whose is this phone? It's hers. Whose are these scissors? Whose are these scissors? They are hers. Whose are these pencils? Whose are these pencils? They are ours. Whose is this laptop? Whose is this laptop? It's ours. Whose are these sunglasses? Whose are these sunglasses? They are its. Whose are these pens? Whose are these pens? They are its. Whose are these keys? Whose are these keys? They are theirs. Whose is this notebook? Whose is this notebook? It's his. Whose is this umbrella? Whose is this umbrella? It's his.